If you want to keep your financial records accurate and up to date, reconciling bank transactions in Xero is one of the most important tasks. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Reconciliation ensures that your bank statements match your records in Xero. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Accounting menu. From there, select Bank Accounts. You will see a list of your connected bank accounts along with their balances. Next, click on the Reconcile button next to the bank account you want to work on. This will open the reconciliation screen, where you can see imported bank transactions on one side and your Xero records on the other. Now start matching transactions. If Xero finds a matching record, it will suggest a match automatically. Simply click OK to confirm the match. This is the fastest way to reconcile transactions. If there is no automatic match, you can manually create one. Click on Create, enter details such as payee, amount, and account category, then confirm the transaction. This ensures every bank entry is recorded correctly. You can also use the Find and Match option to link a bank transaction with an existing invoice or bill. This is useful when payments have already been recorded in Xero. Make sure to review each transaction carefully before confirming. Accurate reconciliation helps prevent errors in your financial reports. Continue this process until all transactions are reconciled. Once done, your bank balance in Xero should match your actual bank statement. In short, reconciling bank transactions in Xero involves matching imported bank data with your records, creating entries if needed, and confirming each transaction. Now that you understand the process, start reconciling your bank transactions in Xero and maintain accurate financial records. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.